Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at an interesting topic, inserting organizational chart into Microsoft Word. One of the things that defines a growing organization is the presence of structure, system, and processes. We're going to see how you're going to use the Microsoft Word to plan your organizational structure, promote or demote, and set the chart accordingly. Before we go into the class, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and share. Now let's go into the class to see how this is done. All right, let's look at how we can create organizational charts in Microsoft Word. So you can insert different kind of objects in Microsoft Word for the purpose of providing the kind of information that you want. So likewise, you can use the SmartArt tool to create or to communicate information visually. So the SmartArt graphic, is visually communicated information. So SmartArt graphics range from graphical list, process diagram to more complex graphics such as Venn diagram and organization charts. So if you click the SmartArt option, you'll see all the kind of charts you can do. This is all, and then you can have list, create diagram for list, create diagrams for processes, create diagram for circular representation, where you are trying to, explain a flow, for instance. So maybe you are trying to explain a flow of something starting from somewhere, going to somewhere, and then from there to another thing, and then ending there, and then, a circle of events. Okay. So you can insert that, the smart art. You can have relationship. You can have circle. You can have hierarchy. So something like this, you can have organization chart. If you click this and you click OK, so you can see something like maybe the CEO, the company sec, then director, maybe finance, director, maybe HR, director, maybe sales. So you can create relationship. You can add to these boxes. So you have options. You have various options where you can determine the way the chart looks. Okay, so you can change the look. You can change the look. So I'll just go with this, and then you can promote. You can add shape. Okay, so you can promote someone that is below. So let's say I had a shape, and I said the shape should be below. So that person is here. So I can edit text and say manager. So let's say finance manager. So this also can have the smart art design. You can add a shape and you say after. That means this person is still on the same line with him. But if you want to add a shape below, then you can see that this person is below while these two are under this person. And this person that is, let's say, marketing manager could be promoted. So you can come tomorrow, maybe it was promoted. You go to the SmartArt and you say promote, and it becomes a marketing director. So something like that. So you can maintain an organization chart, your organization chart in Microsoft, where you can update it as roles changes within the organization. You can come to your Microsoft Word. You can promote, you can demote, you can do right to left, you can move up, you can add shapes. Okay. So that is creating an inserting organizational chart. Of course, you can change colors. You can specify the color that you want to apply to your chart. Okay, so you can change the color. All right. So this is where we're going to stop on inserting or creating organizational charts in Microsoft Word. So see you in another session, and bye for now.